question is, well, if Australian small cap is good, what about international small cap? That's a great question. And that becomes harder to access, because small is bigger. So if you look at the MSCI Global, the Morgan Stanley Capital International Index of developed countries, they are relatively large companies in their own right. So you've got to start looking beyond that. And the choice becomes bigger, the subdivisions become bigger. It's much easier to do it on a individual country basis. So finding a US small cap is a little easier. When you limit your options to either Australian listed exchange products, ETFs, or Australian resident funds, in order to give you the consumer protections that Australian financial services regulation gives you, there is a much smaller market to look at. We will generally only look at Australian listed exchange products and Australian regulated managed investment schemes or managed funds. And that's to give you the consumer protections that our market gives you that many other markets don't. So it may surprise you to know that despite the amount of whinging and bitching and moaning that goes on about us being overregulated, we do have a very good consumer protection regime in our funds management space. And many countries around the world are looking to Australia to copy much of what we do. Certainly, the regulations in the US are extremely lax. They may have higher disclosure requirements, but when you look at how you can get your free trades from the brokers in the US, it's free because they're selling the fact that you're trading, which gives high-speed traders the edge to get in ahead of you. So nothing is free in this world, and even regulation doesn't come free. It can increase costs, but it's like insurance. It's worth its weight in gold when you need it.